this machine is pretty good brand. It's high quality, Janome. Before Janome, the name called was New Home. So this machine is coming with 13 stitches, and when you change the letters, the stitches change. And this is length stitch, and this is reverse. This machine is coming with this needle threader. It's coming with bobbin winder. When you lose this knob, the bobbin winder is activated and working use the hand wheel. And this machine is coming with very good materials inside, plastic, but very solid plastic, and others metal. So the machine can still working 30 or 40 years or even more. It depends if the machine is serviced, lubricated, and cleaned. This is a top tension and other materials, metal materials inside. Hand crank metal right there. This is a little piece of plastic, but very solid. The bottom we have this driving gear is very super solid plastic, and the other is steel. And there are other parts made with steel, this aluminum, but very good aluminum, because this brand is top brand, Janome. This is very good choice. The motor is good motor. It's coming with the pulley geared for a stronger sewing, and belt geared. The motor is coming. Were made with 0.7 amp and 5500 RPM. This socket is very strong plastic, and the plug is very good plastic too. This is like a rubber solid or rubber solid, or very, yeah, this is rubber, and this white is plastic. I hope you like this video. Please share the video. If you like it, please give me a like and subscribe the channel, so this helps a lot, and you will notify when I make another video. Thank you.